Oops, sorry, up. Watch where you're going. Don't look ahead. Oh, look at that. So nice through here. Oh, there's my buddy, Mr. Blob. How you doing, buddy? All right then, we're down in the Don Valley. It's Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. We're expecting a storm to roll in this evening, tonight, overnight, Saturday, 25 centimeters. So that's gonna be some deep snow. If you take a look around here, you see there's nothing. Parking lot's all clear. Path should be all, it's -1. There's a breeze that's making it flicking cold. But yeah, that's why I've got my full everything on. It's just chilly, so until I get started. So I thought I'd take the fat bike for a quick spin down to the bridge and back, just Beaver Flats, maybe see what it's like, and then maybe do a comparison tomorrow. Anyway, let's get going before I change my mind. It's damn cold. Yeah. Woohoo! River crossing! Yeah! Yeah. Oh look, some brand new artwork. Isn't this really nice? Thanks for doing this, whoever did this. Pretty cool. Is there more on the other side? There's another one. And there's the these are new as well, relatively speaking. Yes. Portage along here. Hope your bike stays grippy. And then head for the canoes. Okay. Wow. So I'm out here. Gale warning on my GPS. Okay, never mind. And I'm gonna go check out Bunny Run, but I think I'm overheating a wee bit. I need to kind of drop the stuff, pull these up off my ears because my little cooling fins over here, see them? Cooling fins. If they're covered, I can't cool down. Woo. So I'm at the south end of Bunny Run and I'm gonna head north. This is supposed to be a small ride. Right, you know what that means, right? And then I'm gonna head along Boo and just go check out Leviathan and go up to Serena Gundy and go back home to get some work done. Alright, there might be a nap involved, but we'll see. Let's go. Bunny Run is calling my name, but it looks like there's only old traffic. I'm seeing somebody else's skinny bike tracks here. I don't know. Somebody's walked it, so my brain's telling me I can ride it. I don't know about the uphills. Take a breath. Deep breath. All right. Sliding off the edge. Well, I'm this far. Up and around. Yep. And then back down. Keep pedaling. Trees are friends. Except for right there. Just gotta work my way through it. Deep breaths. All right, it's really rough stuff. Keep going. Keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling. Yeah. Oh look, dirt. All right, that's erosion. That's the hillside, slipping down. All right, whew. Still on Bunny Run, not dead yet. Drop my seat. Pedal. Up. Just at the lee side bridge. Lee side, overly. Oops, sorry, up. Watch where you're going. Don't look ahead. Oh, look at that. So nice soon. Oh, there's my buddy, Mr. Blob. How you doing, buddy? Let me keep going. Alright. Ignore everything else and just ride. Focus on the trail. I get all the way up this, which I do, but then I make it down this. Yeah, and almost. Son of a bitch. There we go. Nice. Get rid of that lactic acid. And Goobers, gotta go. Take the concrete. Yep. And then roll back up. Yep. Just keep rolling. Keep pedaling. It's only a slight uphill. Oh look, a small downhill. On the concrete. Back off the concrete. Over here. Looks like a lot more people have been on it. Holy shit. Yeah. Working extra hard here. Don't you dare. Oh crap. Dab. Alright. This is where I come down from the cricket high school. Right here on the right. Off my seat. Flip in. Duck. No. And just roll. What? Aha. Yep. Oh no, a hill. Uphill. Alright. And then I stick to the eye and back down we go. Holy shit. Alright. Yep. That was hard. It's winter and it's fat bike season. So I'm riding my fat bike as I work my way down to the boot trail. There we go. There we go. Yep. There we go. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yo boo. Bunny, boo. Oh my god, that was hard work. Well, we're actually going this way. Alright, riding in this snow is really hard. I got head spins. Just riding up that Beaver Tail, Boo on Beaver Trail after doing bunny run. You know, I'm pushing a fat bike through relatively packed stuff. Takes a lot of energy out of you. Anyway, I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. I'm gonna head up on the hoof and branch off on Leviathan, see if I can give it a daytime ride since I've never actually seen it in the day without snow pummeling my face. So we'll see. Catch you in a few minutes after I get my lungs off the trail and my heart out of my ass. Alright, Gundy trails that way, swamp that way, back to Serena Gundy this way. That was a hard small ride. Friday afternoon before the next Snowmageddon arrives. This should be a foot of snow, something like that. Unless you get out here with snowshoes and drag a brick and a sled around to groom some of the trails, it's going to be messy going by tomorrow. So I decided to come out today and give it a try. Patreon subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate everything you do. help keep us going. Anybody else who'd like to join, we appreciate to have you along. $1, $3, you know, it helps, every little bit helps to keep this crazy adventure going. You guys probably get to ride with us as I post stuff. We're going to be doing something new soon, so just look out for that. Notice this winter's been really strange. We get a lot of snow and then we get these really high temperatures that make everything turn into wet slush, so it's really hard to ride. But you know what, you gotta make the best of what you got. That's why I'm riding a fatty. I get out hopefully like twice a week when things aren't so good, just to spin. But yeah, anyway, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. As always, stress less, ride more, ride smart, ride safe. See you guys in the trails. Take care.